Start by properly inserting the seal lubricated with Vaseline. Now insert the mortar bowl correctly until it audibly snaps into place to ensure a stable position. When assembling the pestle, pay attention to the screw. It must align with the flattened side of the bearing lock to properly insert the pestle. Attach the scraper to the rear hole using the provided screw. Make sure the scraper remains movable to ensure optimal functionality. Next, adjust the device's 0 point. To do this, rotate the pestle fully upwards and close the lid. Start the device and slowly rotate the pestle downwards until it makes slight contact. Once the pestle turns smoothly, you have successfully set the 0 point.